Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial is based on how to log in into your online banking account of Bank of Islam. So then the procedure to log in is pretty easy. All you have to do is make sure to follow the step correctly. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can log in into your account. So you make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. Firstly, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in the link that is www.bankofislam.biz, and you can also find the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, on the other page you will be directed into the official site, and over here the interface looks something like this. So then in order to log in into your online banking account, what you have to do is in the right hand side corner there you can see internet banking login. So you'll have to tap on this following option. As you tap on it, next you'll be directed into login page. You can see in the left hand side corner you have your login page. Over here you'll have to enter your user ID. So make sure to enter the correct user ID that is associated with the following bank account. Once you type in your user ID, next tap on login, which is right at the bottom. Out here it says that if this is your following account or your username, so then tap on yes. And if this is not your username or your following account, so simply tap on no or contact customer center. If you're sure about your username, so then tap on yes in the bottom left corner. As you tap on it, next you'll have to enter your password. So make sure to enter the correct password. And once you're done entering your password, tap on login, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you tap on login, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you will successfully land inside your online banking account of Bank of Islam. That is how you can log in into your online banking account of Bank of Islam. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.